헤이 기아? 농담해줘.
왜 자전거는 넘어졌을까요? 두 발로 서기엔 너무 피곤했대요. 과속 방지턱이 있습니다. 이 음량으로 안내하고
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. So you could my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.